Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's the boy Wicked Ways. I'm back. I'm back in the building. You know what I'm saying? But before I get into content of this video, really need y'all to smash this like button, man, because, you know, a lot of people viewing my junk, but they ain't liking me, man. Like, come on, y'all. It's a little bit of support, man. But anyway, I was on, as I told y'all before, whoever been tapped in, following, my channel or whatever. I was out for like 2 weeks getting trained up OTR on the road or whatever, and I was driving on the interstate. I was on like Interstate 81 West, and I was going towards Salt Lake City, Utah. So I'm driving or whatever. I was driving for like 250 miles, and I was paying attention to my mirrors or whatever. That's what you're supposed to do. So I looked at my right side mirror. I noticed that my straps was getting loose or whatever. It was dangling. Like as I was driving, it was dangling. So I'm like, oh, that's dangerous. Freight could just slip off and smash somebody's car. I'm not trying, hurt nobody. So I seen a little pocket on the left side. You're not supposed to. I made a mistake. I wasn't supposed to go to the left side. Anything go wrong, you're supposed to always pull up over on your right hand shoulder. But I seen the little pocket and I was like, all right, well, maybe that pocket is for emergency purposes, not using my head. So I cleared the highway, make sure nobody was behind me, make sure it was safe to, merge left. So that's what I did. I merged left into that pocket. Bang, out of nowhere, DOT was just chasing me. Boys, they put the blinkers on. They came out of nowhere. I was driving, like I said, 250 miles, 300 miles almost, and I never seen no state troopers, no DOT. As I did that, they just came out of nowhere. Boom, pulled me, wham. He run up on me on the driver's side window. What's going on? What you doing? I said, my straps is getting loose. It was dangling in the mirror. So I'm like, I'm just trying to fix it real quick before it, start to another problem. It snowballs to another problem. Somebody could get hurt, my freight could slide off the truck and hit somebody. I'm trying to avoid all that. He was like, well, why are you pulled over on the left-hand side? I said, oh, I just seen this pocket and I figured let me do this real fast and hurry up, jump out, strap down my freight and secure it, get back in the truck, put my hazards on and keep it pushing down, Interstate 81 West. I'm in Wyoming at this time. He like, no, can't do that. I'm gonna let you slide. So basically, I definitely dodged the homicide with that because those tickets start off at $1,000. I can't afford it. Like I'm a newbie, and I'm just trying to figure out this business, But definitely dodged the bullet. Then that was a good do by him, and I appreciate that man. Good man. He said he was busy. He had to keep it going. So be careful. He allowed me to jump out real fast since I was already pulled over. Strap my freight back down and keep it pushing. So that's what I did. Jumped out, extracted back down, tighten it up, and jump back in the cab. Took off. My trainer, he was back there asleep. I'm telling him, wake up. He all, what's going on? I'm like, yo, I'm getting pulled over by DOT, man. I don't know what's up. He like, oh, man, I don't even know what's going on. He acting all like, all out of it because, he's waking up out of his sleep. He was unconscious. So, pull off, bang. That was the first incident that take place. So before I move on from what I'm about to say, y'all gotta make sure y'all on point with the DOT regulations out here, man. They will wet you. They will wet your beak on the ticket tip. You feel me? They don't have no mercy. Through the grace of God, he gave me an out, G-Pass. You know what I'm saying? The truck guys was out there with me, with their wings flapping. You feel me? So that was a good jump. That one. But I had another one coming up, whereas though we just got into Utah and I had to pull over at a scale because any scale you see, you gotta pull in there, like check your weight, make sure everything is official and is you meeting the requirements of DOT. You know what I mean? So I pull in. So they directed me not on the scale but to the left hand side to check the brakes. So I'm looking at my trainer like, what's this? You ever seen this before? He like, no. So basically, it was a little pre-inspection. My first one, I passed though, but got up on this brake machine, and they checked my stair tires. I had to, apply pressure on my stair tires for like 5 seconds, release them. They checked them. Drive tires, same thing, each an individual axle, and I had a little bit of deficiencies on my drive axle, the front drive axle. Yeah, it's two drive axles, so the front one, not the second one, but the first one. He said it was a little like worn down. I had to get that looked at, but it wasn't my truck. It was my trainer's truck. And yeah, but I passed though. Got the the page and my first DOT inspection, pre-inspection. It wasn't a full one. It was a pre one. I passed that. So yeah, man, moving forward, man, whoever's out there that's following and trying to get in the trucking or is in the trucking, y'all gotta make sure y'all equipment is intact. Lights, make sure y'all ain't got no leans. Make sure your truck ain't leaning to the left or to the right. Make sure y'all tires ain't bald. It's legal. You dig me? Gotta be legal. Make sure your brakes pads is at legal level. Not worn down dangerously. Like, yeah, man, y'all gotta be on point with this stuff, man, because it's heavy. Them tickets, once they start writing them tickets, man, like, you gonna know. But, yeah, man, I definitely had some fun, man. But, it's crazy how, like, I'm a felon or whatever, and, I'm coming a long way, man. And, the people that I was working with, I was supposed to continue working, but, man, they shut me down, man. Like, they pulled the cord on me, man. They pulled the plug on me, man. Like they they didn't they terminated me because of my criminal record. I told the guy going in like, yo, I had a background, whatnot. He said, don't worry about it. Came all the way out there doing the training, whatever, and then he came back like, yo, man, you got 40 felonies, man, pending. I'm like, yeah, man, I'm innocent though, like like I ain't get convicted or nothing, so technically, like I'm still fighting, like, you feel me? And I'm gonna come out on top on this too. Inshallah, everything work out, in good favors for me. But yeah, man, I'm innocent, man. I'm just trying to do something positive, man. Get a good job. They pulled a plug on me, so that door closed, but two more doors opened up for me. So I always keep a plan B, C, and D, all the way to Z. You got to. You can't just settle, you know. But yeah, I'm on my way to hit the road again today at another job, and alhamdulillah, man, it's a month of Ramadan too, so man, all praise be to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, man. It's a blessing. So yeah, y'all, man, just get with me, man. Like I said, man, tap in, man. I got some things going on. I'm trying to figure this game out, this business, man. I'm just on the up and up on some positive stuff, man. You feel me? It's your boy Wicked Waves. Smash that like button, man. Subscribe, share, all that, man. It's a little bit of support. Peace. Get with me, man. Real rap. Get with me. Peace.